What's up guys, UKTransit here. Today we've got an unusual video and it's going to be a bit of a mission. And a mission it was. Today I'm going to be exploring West Hoathly station on the Bluebell Railway. But it's abandoned. So we're currently in the car and we're just trying to find... So we've got a station road and there's also a foot crossing and there's a tunnel. So we have to enter Sharpthorne village. So we're just turning into Station Road now. You're seeing firsthand what I'm seeing. I haven't been down here yet. So we're just going to have a little explore and see if we can see anything that looks like it used to be a station or anything. Like platform, the building's not here anymore, I don't think. But yes, literally anything to do with a station we are looking for right now. No, I don't know what this is. This looks interesting. Well, we're here at something. We've just literally came down Station Road and we're here. Let me show you. Wow. It's very, very, very windy. Bluebell Railway, private property, do not trespass on the railway. For inquiries, contact Sheffield Park Station and then the phone number. There is a tunnel just over there. But this is so cool. Stop, look, listen, be aware of trains. Now I can't... Oh, this is a platform. This is a platform. This here is a platform. And then there's construction works going on there. And then this bit is a platform. This appears to maybe also be a platform. And it appears we can't go on it, which is slightly annoying. If we come through, I don't know what that is. But there is indeed a foot crossing here. And there's like a box fin with a door over there. And this is the track. You come to this area where you can see a lovely bench. And then if you come back up here, or not back up here, but if you come up here, you can see there, you have your sign, Bluebell Railway, the crossing and the adjacent land is private property which is owned and maintained by the Bluebell Railway. The crossing is provided for the convenience of local residents and is not a dedicated right of way. In the event of any danger to the crossing or nearby fences which protects the railway, please contact Sheffield Park, which is like the base of the Bluebell Railway. Then you have a public notice. I don't know if the camera's being very good today. You can see you have that over there, and there is platforms over there, which is quite cool. You got your Bluebell Railway sign. You got another sign. You got another sign. You got another sign, and then you got loads of signs on over there as well. The Bluebell Railway likes signs. Obviously, you got your stop, look, and listen, be aware of train sign. You've got a lovely little gate, and you can see it looks so awesomely cool. You can see the brick like there, and also there as well, and there and there. So you've got say that's platform 1, all of that would have been platform 1, for example, and this would have been platform 2, all of that, or the other way around. You've got the wood planks to stop people from trespassing. I will be in contact with the Bluebell Railway to ask them if I can visit the station legally, because obviously I do not want to trespass on these lovely platforms. I don't know if, when they say don't trespass, I don't know if they mean don't trespass on the platforms or if it means don't trespass on the line. But I'm assuming, because it says private property, I'm assuming they mean don't trespass anywhere on this bit. If got a lock on here, so obviously they don't want you to go on the platforms. But just look at how cool it looks. Like, it doesn't look like a platform, but when you go down there, obviously it does look like a platform. It just looks so cool. I hope it's coming across in camera how beautiful it is as well. Like, look at them trees over there. There's like some really tall trees just flapping around. You can see over there, we might be able to zoom in, maybe. You can see like some construction work or something going on. So you've got a gate here which they obviously don't want you to go through, and there's a lock. We think, obviously you can see the platform there, try and get a good angle there. You can see the platform there, so we think this may have been an old siding or something. You've got private drive. What does private drive mean? I don't get that. It's normally private road. Whatever. Dead slow, 10 miles per hour, children and animals. You've got a sign, obviously, if you have any inquiries, please contact Sheffield Park Station on that phone number provided. But it looks like there's like a loo over there, and there's like some wood and stuff. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going through the village of Sharpthorne, then we're going to be going down, well, we're going to be walking down a private road, because obviously you can't drive down a private road. Then there is a public, then you will see the tunnel, and then there is a public footpath which we will be taking. So I'm here. This is a private road from up here, so no cars are allowed here. That's what a private road is, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to be walking it. So you've got a gate there, and we're going to be walking down there. So this is the tunnel bridge. I don't know if this is a bridge or a tunnel. It's a bridge, okay. You've got the bridge information there. You've got a public footpath sign. You've got the railway down there. You've got the signal there. It's actually really beautiful. Yeah, it's super beautiful. It's a really nice area. You can see down there, there's like a foot crossing. That's what we're going to. That's what I'm going to be walking to. Since I left the car, I am alone. Obviously I don't have a driving licence, so my granddad was driving me. That thing over there, I don't know if that is like an old sign or something. Like, I wish I could see it the other way around, because it might be like, it might say the station name or something, I don't know. It is really cool though. Like, just look at this place. It's like nice, it's really peaceful until I showed up. It's nice and quiet again until I showed up. But yeah, it's a really cool place, and I do really like it. So if you walk down there, there's like a farm. There's also a really nice gentleman that said I could walk through his gate to get to the foot crossing, which is nice. Obviously I'm trying to do things the more efficient way, so I am going to be using a public footpath, as I believe that will go to the foot crossing. If it doesn't, then I'm going to be quite sad. There's another field over here, and yeah, there's a nice tunnel bridge, as you can see here, and it is generally really beautiful.
And you can also follow alongside on the
Yeah.
railway.
Thank you.
Alright.
Oh.
I'm working around.
Right. So I've just seen someone. They have confirmed that the foot crossing is down here. So I'm currently just having a little explore. It's a really nice area. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe, and leave any comments down below. The comments mean the world to me. It's just obviously this video has taken quite a while to do, and it's been really difficult to do as well. But yeah, I really do appreciate you guys for watching so far, and yeah, let's continue the video. So I'm currently at this area. Ouch, I've just been hurt by a bramble or whatever that is. I saw this like little shed kind of thing. That looks cool. It must be something to do with the railway. But yeah, you can actually see the line, which is cool. I don't know if this is electrified, so I'm not going to touch it. This is, oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh wow. Right, that looks a bit dangerous. Oh, okay. Public footpath. So that's obviously where I just came from. I almost just tripped over that, so please be careful if you ever come here. This looks like a bit of track. Like this looks like a piece of old track. That is epic. So they're using it as a fence. Look, they're using like old track as a fence by the looks of it. That is actually really, really, really cool. Stop, look, listen, be aware of trains, and do not touch the horses, danger of infection. That's a bit confusing because I literally asked, can I touch the horse? And she said yes. Warning, stop, look and listen before crossing the line. Bluebell Railway warning, it is dangerous to trespass on this railway. Trespassers will be prosecuted. I completely agree, and that completely makes sense. I'm not currently trespassing, and I would not do that. Obviously this is a public right of way, and I'm not trespassing. I don't know if this gate has anything to do with the railway, but the fencing over there is definitely track or something of the sort, which is really cool. So you can see the line, and it is absolutely epic. That is the tunnel I was on just before, and it is generally a really cool area. And yes, I think they need to clean the sign a bit, but yes. I don't know what that is. That's obviously a drain. I don't know what that is. You got the same signs as on the other side. Oh my god, this is actually really, really, really cool. And then obviously you got the way to the next field. I don't know if that's public. Oh, public footpath, it is indeed. So you got a public footpath that way, and that way. I wonder what's up here. I can't believe how close I am to the tracks right now. It's so cool. So this wasn't part of the plan. I didn't know this bit, like this footpath existed, but I'm just walking it because why not? I will be, as I said, I will be sending an email to the Bluebell Railway asking them if we can explore the platforms at this station. Obviously, this station is owned by the Bluebell Railway, and on the Bluebell Railway you have East Grinstead, Kingscote, Horsted Keynes and Sheffield Park. It has been a debate, or not really a debate, it's been something that the Bluebell has been thinking about for quite a long time, to reopen this station. But unfortunately it hasn't been able to reopen due to the residents and the local people of the village and surrounding villages, I'm guessing, protesting about it. And honestly, I can't really see why. I think it's a beautiful and magnificent railway, and I think it should be brought back to life. Basically what I'm saying is I think this station should be reopened on the Bluebell Railway. If you're a train enthusiast and you like walking and you live in the local area, I would very much advise you walk around these fields. If you do it on a day that the Bluebell is running, then obviously you're going to see trains go past as well. I think I am going to turn back quite shortly. I'm going to walk over, just over to there, and then I'm going to go back. It's such a beautiful place. You've got a signal again. When I'm doing this kind of stuff, this is the sort of time when I'm thinking how good life actually is. If you don't know, I suffer with depression, and for me to just be able to do this and come to this lovely, lovely, lovely place, it is amazing. And for me to just be alone, it just feels really cool. And yeah, and especially when I'm filming as well. Like, I love making content for you guys, and yeah, it's such a cool place. It's just so lovely, it's so beautiful. I'm going to go over to that little shed thing over there, and then I'm going to walk back. The camera does not justify what I'm seeing right now. It is so magnificently beautiful. The camera isn't doing the best job at the moment, but it is generally magnificent. It is so beautiful. And yes, you've got like a shed, you've got some animals, some wildlife over there. Well, be careful of the hole, I've just fallen down that. I was like up here, and then I went down by accident. Oh, that hurt my back. You got some railway stuff. Oh, you got a sign, danger, do not trespass. Is this, it doesn't look like a foot crossing, let's see. Oh, there's a deer. Oh my god. Oh my word. Yes, I'm not going to go up there. There is a deer. I'm actually quite scared. I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually a deer. So, Bluebell Railway, danger, do not trespass, and then you've got one of them signs again. So you've got a tunnel there, and a beautiful line. So I'm now going to leave you in peace. This is UKTransit signing off from the middle of nowhere. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. I do hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please share the video, please like, please comment, all of that stuff, because this has been a really hard video to make. It has been extremely enjoyable to do, but it has been a mission, to say the least. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and goodbye.